We can all tell the difference between an ordinary and a professional email. If you are not inclined to beautiful design, you can find ideas in Canva. How do you like this template? Let's try to create it in Google Docs. Let's open an empty Google Docs document. Change the page settings to pageless. Select Email Drafts. We notice that we got more space on the page. Now insert a table with one cell in the part below the header. Let's stretch it down. Insert a new table with one column and 4 rows into this cell. Insert the text and apply the formatting. And our professional mail is ready to be sent. Use this button to send the newsletter. If you want to turn this newsletter into a template, you can do it from Gmail. Want more tricks like this? Subscribe, like, or write to us.